Today I'm going to show you how you could put a hold on a library book for delivery to your classroom, or you can download an ebook for your use. There are three ways to get to the library. You can go through the SSO. You can also go to Weatherford ISD and click on the student tab and then go to the libraries. Or you can just type in destiny.weatherfordisd.com. It will pop up with our Weatherford ISD library pages. You click on Weatherford High School. Once you get to the Weatherford High School page, you can renew a book right here, or you want to go ahead and log in if you're not renewing a book. You can either use your SSO login, or you can type in your first name dot last name and then your lunch number. I would suggest that you try both of those before you let me know. If there's a problem, just email me and I'll get it fixed for you. Once you get inside to the library page, like I said, there's the renewal form. You can move down and it'll show our recently added books, our popular title books, and our books by titles. These mirror what we have in the library on our shelves. These are the print books. They may also include sometimes an ebook, but most of the time these are going to be your print books. So say I want a realistic book today. I'm going to click on the realistic shelf and I'm going to go through and look and see. This one right here might be something, maybe the right here might see something I want to read. So all I have to do is put a hold on it and click the hold button, and it will show up in the library that you have a hold on it. I can also check over with the hamburger right here and look at my checkouts, and I can look at my holds. I can also check for fines. All right, let's see. If you scroll down past the topics part of the web page, you come down to ebooks. Down here in the ebooks, they are just the same. If I click on them, I have the option to open one just to kind of look through and read a few, paragraphs to see if it's what I want. If I decide I want to check it out, I just click the checkout and it will show up on the Destiny Discover app. I can download it on my phone and I will then have it to read whenever I want to. We also have several audiobooks. If you like to listen to books, that's also another option. If you decide, if there is a subject that you're wanting to find books on, say I'm looking for soccer, you just type it in and it will bring up the books that are in that category. Same thing, checking out. You can make yourself a collection if you want to come back and read other ones. You can look at websites that have to do with soccer. We have databases that are vetted for high school students, and there are open educational resources. You can use all of those things when you log in to your library account. And that is how you would put a hold on a book in order to check it out. We will deliver books daily to your English teachers class. If there's another problem, just let me know. You can email me and say, hey, I want it delivered here whenever. That's fine. I hope this helps. Thank you.